This is the Bruvoalon Extra Large Polyester Oxford Laundry Bag Set. This is a set of 2. These bags are a nice large size, 28 inches width by 40 inches height. The fabric is very strong. The drawstring closure keeps everything in the bag. When fully stuffed, this bag is about 28 inches tall. It can hold 3 to 4 loads of laundry. The fully stuffed bag can be stored in an extra large backpack or in a suitcase. It can even hold my 24-inch Squishmallow. Store anything in these bags. These Bruvoalon laundry bags are great. Thanks for listening and watching my video.
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.